Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a super cool project. It's going to be making these beautiful crystallized resin coasters or resin coasters with texture. So let's jump in and get started. And for this project, I'm only using glitter and clear resin, and that's it. I'm going to be using this Midnight Blue Sky holographic glitter from Laura's Art Corner and clearcast 7050 resin from the Epoxy Resin Store. I have discount codes for both of those down below in the description box. So to get your crystal texture, you're going to need a Druzy insert. This is the one I'm using. I got it from Lynn Donovan Art on Instagram. I'll link her website down below as well. And I'm just placing that right in the center of my coaster mold. And you want to make sure you get it right in the center. I actually got mine a little bit off center, so make sure you really try to get it in the center if you can. And I'm just going around the edge with that Midnight Blue Sky holographic glitter around the Druzy insert. And I mixed up my resin and my pigments off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial step by step on how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link one of my tutorials down below in the description. I just cut it out of this video to save time. So now I'm going in with clear, and that's it. Super simple and easy. Just fill up the mold all the way. I didn't use my heat gun or anything to pop bubbles. I didn't have a problem with that, so that was awesome. Covered it up, let it dry for 24 hours, and now we're ready to demold it. So first you pop off your coaster mold, and then you will probably get a little bit of kind of resin that ran under the Druzy insert. It pops right off just like this, or you could go in with some little nippers like fingernail clippers and cut that off if you have those. I don't have those handy, so I just kind of picked it off and peeled the insert right out. Comes out super easy. You could also take a little popsicle stick too and kind of pry that insert out of there if you're having a hard time, but I had no problem at all getting it out. And here it is. Check it out. It turned out so awesome. I love the texture on this one. I think it's really pretty from both sides. I think that these are just a really unique kind of way to kind of change up your coasters. I only have one of these Druzy inserts, so I can only make one of these at a time, but I'll definitely be making more, and I think that these would be really pretty sun catchers too. The round, or the kind of like the diamond edge coaster mold, I got that from Dryer Days Art Studio. It's the perfect size for this insert. It fits perfectly in there, so I'll link that down below as well too, along with my coupon code. It's got that really pretty diamond edge, which I love. Kind of just adds a little bit of elegance to your coaster sets. But I think that this is such a fun project, and you can see when the sunlight hits it, it casts a million little rainbows all over. It's just so gorgeous. I'm thinking I might even turn this into a sun catcher just because I love how pretty it is. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I wanted to upload this video really quickly to show you something that I have been working on. I hope you guys give it a try. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. And as always, I'll link everything I use down below in the description box. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are all doing good, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye.